Hey Wormheart fans! So I will be painting this beautiful birdhouse, and as you know, you might have watched the other video, might not, but you gotta check it out if you haven't. So it's like where we went to this like bird, bees, butterfly event, and as you know, I got this. And what's really cool about it is that you can open it and then you can pour in the seeds, then close it, and then boom. It comes with a chain, which is really neat. Stick in your branch. Just let you know, it's really important that this is non-toxic paint, no chemicals, because if birds come, cough, and stuff. So, and I've already started, and I love this shade of blue because blue is one of my favorite colors. Look at that. Look how pretty the shade of blue is. Like, oh my gosh.
What bird are you going to attract with that?
Blue jays, yeah!
Score!
And I love blue jays. They're really pretty because blue, This, look at those goose! Unexpected. I did not know that was coming. The ecosystem is very important in our lives because if we didn't have it, we might not even have any food to eat. So, you might not know this if you're younger, but non-living and living things live in the ecosystem. So like fish go into the ocean. Like fish definitely do not belong in the desert because they just be flopping around and then they were dying. So, and also if there are
speaking of dying, do you know that it's important to know the species, the endangered species in our communities, so we can learn how to protect them and save them?
Because if you didn't know, if let's just say foxes, if there were no more bunnies left, how will foxes eat food? Then what if there are no foxes? Because if one species there's no more, then the next species will be no more, and then they're going to keep on going on and on. Then eventually, if you do not pay attention to the environment, what will happen next? It's unexpected. Who knows what people will do to environment, like trash it.
And what could we do to protect our environment?
Like clean up after ourselves. Like if you see garbage on the beach or something, go pick it up and throw it away.
Recycle.
Exactly.
And get in touch with nature.
Something very, very important. I learned this in school. I can't believe I didn't even know this, but I didn't even know this, but sea turtles, since they eat jellyfish, now I know. I learned this, I saw this on an image or something. There were garbage bags in the ocean, then sea turtles started eating it, because don't garbage bags look like jellyfish in the water, how they're open? That's horrible, So remember.
And it gets stuck in them.
Yeah, and also those soda cans, how they place it in when you buy it. Those, if you put it in, that's also really bad, because what if animals their heads get stuck in it or something? Yeah.
If we allow our environment to become contaminated, we risk our own health. Did you know that, Catherine?
Oh, I did not know that, sadly, which is really bad.
So humans depend on healthy ecosystems.
Yeah, also in school, we're having our first math test. Yay!
Good luck to you.
Got to let you know.
Humans thrive on healthy ecosystems, and plants, living things, everything depends on a healthy environment. So it's important to purify it, to clean it, and take care of it. You got that?
Yes, I did.
When a species becomes endangered, it's a sign that the ecosystem is slowly falling apart. And that would be very sad, right? So we have to work together to protect the environment. And there's ways to do that by getting involved in our communities and find natural resources that have natural wildlife and their natural habitats. And to really properly take care one little change could be a big change.
Yes.
So what are you going to put in this birdhouse?
So I'm sorry, there was a ginormous bug. So I'm going to put these seeds. Let me go grab them. I just got paint on my hand.
Okay, sunflower seeds.
Here we go. Found it.
Yes.
These sunflower
Well, we're going to put
seeds.
some other seeds too and mix it up, right?
Yeah.
The
It's
birds
okay,
are
I'll
going
wash
to
it
love
off.
it. The birds are going to love it, and we hear so many around tonight.
Oh my God,
and the
I hear
crickets.
baby birds. Like, wait, listen. Hear all
Because
those
there is
animals?
so much in trees, so much life.
The trees are home to many. So do not, listen to me, do not cut down trees. That is horrible, okay? A lot of animals live there, like squirrels, birds, bird nests, so. And many more.
And keep the environment healthy. Birds are just so important. They play a vital role in keeping the balance of this beautiful nature.
Yes.